Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm an English teacher. Before we get on with our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more language learning videos like this and also for my English classes. Let's start. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to talk English confidently. So, if you really want to talk English and confidently, I have 7 tips that I can share with you guys as trilingual. My first tip would be that to talk with native people more often. By this, what I mean is, let's say I was learning Portuguese. And while I was learning Portuguese, I was always talking with the native person of Portuguese. So this gave me much more confidence that I would need. Let's continue with our second tip. My second tip would be that to watch TV and also listen to music in that target language that you want to learn, because you can gain more correct pronunciation by watching TV in the target language, or when you're listening to music, of course, that you will gain much more confidence while you are talking in English. Or this goes for any other language, not just for English. It can be used in any other language that you want to learn. The thing is, it's just language learning and talking that language in confident way. So this was my second tip. Let's continue with the third tip. So guys, my third tip is to share with you is to learn more vocabulary words. By that I mean that you should learn more vocabulary in order to feel more confident while you are talking. So you're actually broadening your vocabulary items and that you can use more each day. So this will be helpful. If you want, guys, you can comment down below if you want me to make for you how to learn vocabulary faster and easier in another video. So you can comment down below if you would like to see a video such as this one. So my fourth tip would be to not be shy. Just don't be shy. This is the most important thing, is to not be shy. Because now I would like to share with you my experience. When I was learning English, I was extremely shy, so this way I couldn't talk anything, and I needed courage. I need more courage to talk. So when you are being shy, actually you are making yourself counting in the same place as you already are. So stop being shy like me. This is what I can tell you guys. Don't be shy. Okay, the fifth tip is talk even if you can't pronounce words right. Well, this is very important because when you feel like you're gonna say something and you are just thinking whether it will be pronounced in the right way, so this will make things really worse, because then you are pressuring yourself that you think that you won't pronounce it right, and the person next to you or front of you will laugh to you or think like, why is she talking this way? Why is she pronouncing this in this way? So just don't be shy about to pronounce anything incorrectly, because this will make you gain more confidence in English. So you will be more confident in this way if you even talk whether the pronunciation is wrong. It's totally okay. The sixth tip is try to look up for those words that you think that you are not pronouncing it correctly. Because when you look up for those words that you can't pronounce or that you think you can't pronounce, then you can listen to the real pronunciation, and then you can develop yourself in that word. For example, you can write down the words that you think you can't pronounce. You just write them down into your notebook, take notes, and then you can listen to the pronunciations of these words that you have written so you don't forget what you have to listen to. So this will be a good way. And the seventh tip and the last tip is to think like this. Let's say you're talking with a person front of you in English. You have to think like this. Does this person know your native language? Then you know their native language. So when you think about it in this way, you will think that, I know my native language. And I'm also trying to learn and how to gain confidence while talking in English. So when you think about it like in this way, you will feel more confident. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And I hope you will find my tips very helpful because all my tips are coming from my own experiences while I was learning a language. So I wanted to share it with you guys so it would also help you, because when you know about these tips, you can also make changes in your life while you're speaking English and in a confident way. So guys, I hope to see you in another video of mine very soon. Bye bye.